Good morning, students. Today we are starting with the miscellaneous exercise of matrices. If A and B are symmetric matrices, prove that AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrix. Since we are given that capital A and capital B are symmetric matrices, so we know that according to the definition of symmetric matrix, the transpose of A is equal to A and transpose of B is equal to B. That is, A dash is equal to A and B dash is equal to B. Now we need to check AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrix. Now for that, let us find out transpose of AB minus BA. So transpose of AB minus BA is AB whole transpose minus BA whole transpose. We know the reversal law of transpose, which is given that according to reversal law of transpose, AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. That is, there is reversed, the values of A and B are reversed, they become B dash and A dash. In case of BA whole dash, the values will become A dash and B dash. You can see A comes in place of B and B comes in place of A. Now again, we know that B dash is equal to B and A dash is equal to A. So let us equate in place of A dash A and in place of B dash B. What do we get? B dash A dash minus A dash B dash is equal to BA minus AB. We take out minus sign common, we get minus AB minus BA. That is, AB minus BA whole dash is equal to minus AB minus BA. This is skew symmetric matrix. So AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Second question is, if A is a symmetric matrix, then we need to prove B dash AB is also a symmetric matrix. How are we going to prove it? Please see, B dash AB whole dash, using reversal law of transpose, this AB whole dash will come first and dash of B dash will come second. The place of AB is taken by B dash and place of B dash is taken by AB. Now AB dash again uses reversal law and it becomes B dash A dash. On the other hand, B dash whole dash, that is B transpose whole transpose. If you change rows into column, we get A transpose. If you again change rows into column, we get the matrix back again. So B dash whole dash is again B. So we are left with B dash AB whole dash is equal to B dash AB. That means transpose of B dash AB is equal to B dash AB. So B dash AB is a symmetric matrix. Same thing is with skew symmetric matrix. We are given A is a skew symmetric matrix. We need to prove B dash AB is a skew symmetric matrix. If A is skew symmetric, then A dash is equal to minus A. This is the definition of skew symmetric matrix. B dash AB whole dash is equal to AB whole dash and B dash whole dash. This is just like the previous question we have done, and this will become B dash A dash and B dash whole dash will become B only. So we are left with B dash A dash B. Now this time A dash is not symmetric, A dash is skew symmetric. So in place of A dash we need to equate minus A. We get minus B dash AB. So B dash AB whole transpose is equal to minus B dash AB. So B dash AB is skew symmetric matrix. Second question. For what value of x 1 to 1 multiplied by 1 to 0, 2 0 1, 1 0 2, 0 2 x is equal to 0? find the value of x. How do we do this question? We multiplied 1 with 1, 2 with 2, 1 with 1. We get 1, 4, 1. That is 1 plus 4 plus 1. 1 with 2, 2 with 0, 1 with 0. Row into column. We get 2 plus 0 plus 0. 1 with 0, 2 with 1, 1 with 2. Row into column. We get 0, 2 plus 2. So we are having a new matrix 6 to 4 multiplied by 0 to 6. Multiply 6 with 0, 2 with 2 and 4 with x. What do we get? 0, 4 plus x. Now 4x plus 4 is 0 and 4x is equal to minus 4. So x is minus 4 upon 4. X is equal to minus 1. Third question. Find x if x minus 5 minus 1 multiplied to the matrix 1 0 2, 0 2 1, 2 0 3 and matrix x 4 1 is equal to 0. Let us multiply x minus 5 minus 1 with the second matrix row into column. X is multiplied by 1, minus 5 with 0, minus 1 with 2. We get x plus 0 minus 2. X with 0, minus 5 with 2, minus 1 with 0. Row into column. We get 0 minus 10, 0. X with 2, minus 5 with 1, minus 1 with 3. Row into column. 2x minus 5 minus 3 into x for 1 is equal to 0. What do we get? X minus 2 minus 10 and 2x minus 8. New matrix to be multiplied by x for 1. Now let us multiply. What do we get? X square minus 2x minus 40 plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So what is left? X square minus 48 is 0. X square is 48. X is equal to plus minus 48. This will give under root 48 will become, we know 16 3s are 48. Square root of 16 is 4. So we get the value of x as plus minus 4. As student, I am giving you few questions for practice also. Only 1 or 2 questions for practice, so that daily you are in practice of few questions. Few questions we will discuss and few questions you will practice. Please do them in their copies. Thank you very much.